Okay, so the aim of this video is to give you an idea of how to make the most of these content videos. But before I do that, I actually want to go through why. Why am I doing these and what are the advantages of these videos? Well, first of all, the HSC Standard English course has a lot of content and we only get 180 hours of lessons in Year 12 to cover this content. There's 8,760 hours in a year and we only get 180 hours in Year 12 English, which seems like a lot, but when you break it up over a whole year, it's actually nothing. Here's the main advantage of this. If we spend 25% of our class time, so 180 hours, and you yourself spend 75% of in-personal study outside of the classroom, then you end up getting 720 hours of study. Now, I'm going to guarantee that not every single person in the state, so if you're competing against 20,000 people, are going to be studying this much. They're basically just going to be having their class time and maybe a few hours doing their assessment tasks and a few hours studying for the exam, and that's it. If you do this regularly, then you're actually creating a massive advantage for yourself and you're actually learning more. So that's why we're doing them. 2, you get to watch and re-watch these videos at any time. So if you forget something or you need to brush up on something, you can obviously look back at them and watch them again. And thirdly, they're good for revision. So when you're coming up to the HSC exams, you can re-watch these videos that I give you and they're a good study tool. Okay, so now that you know why, I want to talk about how you can make the most of these videos. And you need to be doing all of these things. Number 1, watch the video before class. I'm going to be giving you guys a whole lot of videos that I want you to watch, and you're going to need to watch them before the lesson that I require them to actually happen. Otherwise, you're going to be at a disadvantage. I really recommend this because I'm spending the time to make them for you, and I want the lessons to be as helpful and as engaging as possible. Number 2, use the pause and rewind features frequently. Don't just watch a video through and not stop at once. Take some time, when a point's made, write it down and think about the point and keep watching the video. If a video is about 4 minutes long, it'll take you maybe 15 or 20 minutes to watch through a whole video if you're pausing and rewinding. 3, take notes and don't copy my words verbatim. So don't pause and write down exactly what I'm saying. Write it down in your own words and in your own understanding. And you should be able to actually remember those notes more because they're more meaningful to you. 4, make sure that you watch the video when you're fresh and focused. Don't choose to watch the video at 12 o'clock on a Thursday night after you've done an assignment. Choose to do it at a time where you feel the most focused and refreshed. For me, it's in the morning. For others, it may be in the afternoon, and for others, it may actually be at night time. But choose a time that actually works for you and when your brain's switched on. 5, focus on the video alone. Don't have anything else that's distracting you. So Facebook or other websites, have them closed and just focus entirely on the video. That'll help you make the most of it. And 6, at the end of the video, write down any questions that you have. So if you have questions about what I've said, if there's part of the video that you don't understand, or if there's parts that you feel like you need me to explain in greater detail, then writing down those questions and asking them in class or asking them via email will help me understand what you're getting from the videos and what I need to go over again. And that's what learning is. You understand something, then you're able to write it down, but if you don't, then you're able to check your understanding with me. So, have you taken notes? Have you done these points for this video? Go back and rewatch it and do exactly what I say in these 6 points, and hopefully you'll be able to learn from this video.